Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time, can you subscribe? And if you find this video effective, drop a comment, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you. So this video is for personal statements for computer science. It's personal statements for computer science. And if you haven't watched my video on how to attend statement of purpose and you'll be needing that, there's a link in the description box. Kindly copy the link and find your way to writing that perfect statement of purpose. Now let's dive right into the video. So like I said, this is a personal statement for computer science. Let's go. Having gained life experience in troubleshooting computers and a desire to understand how they work led me to realize I wanted to study computer science. Being able to recognize issues in data or any opportunity to further advance life-changing technology requires a lot of problem-solving skills, and it's a career that I want to join and make a mark on. I have previous knowledge of the programming language JavaScript as I have self-studied it through online research. I started off creating static web pages, but then created one where the functionality of it was to make a sound and the user had to guess from one of the multiple pictures of instruments on which one it was. My first introduction to coding was in middle school when my classmate decided to make an app to support our school canteen. It was to have an order functionality for the attending students. My project management and cooperation skills were enhanced through this project. Unfortunately, the project was shelved due to the limited resources we had at the time, but it began my interest in technology itself. I was also a part of summer program in 2012 at a local science center called Vilvite. The summer program consisted of being introduced to robot programming and competition at the end to ascertain how much we learned. Groups of two were to program a robot through an obstacle course and apply different sensors to the robot. This benefited me with better communication and strategic planning skills. Secondly, I was chosen to be featured in a blog post about a national youth activity program called Programmite. Due to the program being awarded a good financial sum by the Crown Prince and Crown Princess Foundation, this program helped primary and secondary schools with recess activities and keeping kids active, which I was a part of and took charge of activities throughout my time in primary and secondary school. Additionally, I have experience in volunteering in various youth organizations, such as being the financial controller of a youth organization called This Work, based in Norway in 2019. Through this, I developed my problem-solving skills and online interpersonal skills using Microsoft Teams. My roles included being a student representative for my school in the Student Council of Beijing City, then student leader in my high school, and worked my way up to the vice president of the Otherland country. I gained the necessary skills in team management, planning and execution of a plan, and having a good eye for detail. My 4-year experience as a basketball coach and team captain at my local sports club in Norway has taught me how to have patience and develop my teamwork skills. By having open communication with my team that I coached and played with, I learned how to look at things from unique perspectives, accepting and giving feedback after each game, and improved my organization and time management skills. Whether it was a complex strategy or just a simple one, I took input from every team member and kid that I coached. I have always been motivated to be the best there is, whether it was being the best at writing at school, the best at youth politics, or the best basketball player back then. So my long-term plan is to make my mark in computer science as well, and to do this I want to get the most out of university. It will allow me to develop the skills I have already gained as well as new ones, and help tackle any challenges that I face in the future. Now that is a perfect personal statement, and if you find this video effective, kindly subscribe and share with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't watched my video on how to attend any statement of purpose and you just in case you need it, kindly look at the description box. I drop a link there on how to write any statement of purpose. Kindly watch the video, it's highly helpful, and I'm sure you will drop a thank you comment. Thanks for watching this video.